Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your MetaMask account. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. Now, if you already have the MetaMask extension, then you can simply click on the MetaMask icon at the top right corner. This will now show you all of the accounts that are connected with your MetaMask account. Now, if you have imported any other accounts, then you can simply tap on the three dots and then select Delete Account. However, an original MetaMask account cannot be deleted. So if you wish to stop using your MetaMask account, then all you can do is simply right-click on the MetaMask extension and click on Remove from Chrome. Once you do this, all of the accounts associated with your MetaMask extension will also be removed. Make sure that you also delete your passkey or your passphrase if you never want anyone to access your account ever again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.